Meet Kimi K3 that just dethroned Claude Fable 5, the most powerful AI model till now, and costing half the price, and giving you the keys to run it anywhere. With 2.8 trillion parameters, a 1 million token memory, it doesn't just match the best closed models from OpenAI and Anthropic, it beats them outright on coding, reasoning, and multimodal tasks. Released by Moonshot AI in July 2026 as the largest open-weight model ever built, K3 proves that the frontier of AI no longer hides behind a paywall.
In next 3 minutes, I'll show you capabilities of Kimi K3.
I just watched the most insane rocket launch video, but instead of explaining it myself, I let Kimi watch it and tell me what happened. I just typed prompt, explain everything happening in this video, identify every object, every action, and tell me the physics behind what I'm seeing. And here it comes. Look at this density. Object identification, it caught the booster separation, the fairing jettison, the grid fins deploying for steering, but then it gets to the physics. This is what 1 million tokens of context and native vision actually means. It's not just reading pixels, it's reasoning about them. And I did this on the free tier.
So here's the thing. Everybody's hyping Kimi K3 right now, but the servers are slammed. So I thought, let's make this interesting. I'm taking Kimi Instant and I'm pitting it against Claude Sonnet 5, which costs me $20 a month. Same weapon for both, War and Peace, all 1,200 pages, same bullet of a prompt, and we're going to see who actually read the book and who just skimmed the cliff notes. No tricks, no cherry picking. Let's find out if free can beat premium.
Claude is analyzing. Kimi is processing. The suspense isn't just about who gets it right.
Okay, results are in, and I need you to look at this. Claude gave me a solid summary, 7 foreshadowing moments, decent thematic analysis, but the citations? Vague. Now look at Kimi Instant. Page-level citations, exact chapter references. It caught the subtle mirror between Andre's oak tree scene in Book 1 and Pierre's final revelation in Book 4, a connection 900 pages apart. Kimi Instant is eating Claude's lunch.
Stop. Whatever you're doing, stop. If you're still asking AI one-line questions, you're playing checkers while everyone else is playing chess. The people getting insane results, they don't ask for answers. They ask for reasoning. In the next 30 seconds, I'm going to show you why your prompts are broken. I'm throwing an entire system architecture diagram at this AI, and I'm making it think like a CTO. Let's go.
Boom! It just architected an entire system in under a minute. Structured layers, every component mapped, every flow traced, every vulnerability exposed. I didn't ask it for a summary. I asked it to think. And that's exactly what most people are missing. You're not talking to a chatbot. You're talking to a reasoning engine. The question is, are you giving it something worth reasoning about?
You just watched 4 capabilities. Subscribe, hit the bell, and tell me, which limit should we break next? Drop it below.